welcome back to my channel, Moganite Magnets. Today we're going to do some slime amsr. Whoa, bubble. Quickly fix the slime a little bit. This one is a little bit stiff, so I am going to add in some foam soap, I guess, just to see what the texture is later. So this is the texture. It's and this foam soap is supposed to make it much more softer. So is it working? Let's add in some more. I love mixing this in. Look at that. Sorry about the background noise. Comment down below if you want me to fix the slime in another video. And I want to open a slime box in another video, so stay tuned. This one actually really helped. It's less stiff now. I want it to be a little bit more softer, so I'm going to add in some more foam soap. This is so satisfying. How was the March break, guys? Today is the end of the March break. You guys like slime? If you do, comment down below. And what is your favorite color? Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Please give a like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just please give a like and subscribe, because that would help so much. And please, if you guys, you can also watch my other videos, like my other recent videos so far. And I am going to film another video of opening a slime box that I got from Japan. So stay tuned for that right now. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a second. But yeah, please go like and subscribe. Bye.